Here's an unboxing of this 36-inch electric guitar starter kit. Excited to check this out, see everything inside of here. Comes in this nice custom cardboard box right here, inside of a case. Let's just jump right into the case and look at this guitar. Oh, and it even comes wrapped in some styrofoam type wrapping right here. Alright, there we go. And that looks so cool. Let's get this off too. Oh, I'm gonna have to spend a little more time on that. Get it out from around the knobs well, but I love how everything's black details up here with the like mint green. Awesome looking. All right, let's see what else we got in here. That's just some support packaging right there. Bust this open. Looks like this is our amp right here. You know, matching lime green. And what is this? Operation manual. And then we got some other accessories right here. Like there's a little tuner in there. Got your cables. Let's just pull it out. So we got a tuner. There's a little tuner. Clip that on right there. Spare strings. Get a strap, shoulder strap. Another operation guide. Some picks, couple tools, and your cable to hook your guitar up to your amp, and then your amp plugs into the wall. There's a look at the amp and the guitar together. These look so cool. Excited to put these to use.